Good evening, class. My name is Margie Smith, and I'm glad to see some of my friends already in class I have been in classes with in the past. This is my second year at Regent. I hope to finish up in the fall of this year. I'm on a fast track here. I currently live between two places. I live in Midlothian, Virginia, a couple of days a week, and then in Newport News, Virginia, a couple of days a week. I am in private practice, and my office is in Richmond, Virginia. My specialties is substance abuse. I do about five substance abuse groups a week, and also I see individual clients who are experiencing grief and loss issues. As far as my ministry, I'm a pastoral counselor at my church, the Good Shepherd Baptist Church in Petersburg, Virginia. Also, I head up the Stevens Ministry, which is a lay pastoral care ministry. As far as my dissertation topic, I'm going to be looking at the impact of moms who prenatally expose their children to opiates. I'm looking at adolescents and see developmentally if they have in fact been, the children have in fact been impacted by their mom's use of drugs while the mom was pregnant. I do not have a pet. When I was younger, I had a dog. I'm one of six children. I had a dog, and our dog ran away, and so we didn't get another dog. Um, any special prayer requests? I just pray that each of us will do whatever it is that God wants us to do, and that we will be successful in doing that. See you in class.